Dreaming of your very first home? Welcome to SMDC Cheerful Homes, your ideal starter home in Pampanga. Located in Mabalacat, you're close to SM City Clark, Angeles University Foundation, and several hospitals. Everything you need, right where you live. Inside a gated community, enjoy safe open spaces, a swimming pool, basketball courts, landscaped pathways, and eco-friendly street lighting, all within a welcoming neighborhood. Now let's go inside a move-in ready home, where you can settle in right away. Here are the living, dining, and kitchen areas, all designed to be bright, cozy, and inviting, with a practical layout that makes everyday living comfortable and convenient. This is perfect for couples, professionals, or retirees seeking a low-maintenance home. The bedroom is versatile and can be styled your way, with a complete bathroom for everyday convenience. Whether you're starting a family, living independently, or investing in Pampanga's booming market, your ideal starter home is here.